I'm about to recreate Saquon Barkley's backwards hurdle in Madden 25. Now, this animation's been added to the game, but apparently there's less than a 1% chance for it to trigger. And very quickly, I ran through my first 50 tries and realized that that percentage was definitely correct. I tell you what, this play is insane. We got to do 3 different moves. Hurdle! Oh, you see what I'm saying? Like, we almost got something there. Oh, we just need a hurdle. Come on. No! Get it, please. No way. I'm really questioning whether this is possible or not. Finally, that's another chance. That's a bad angle. Oh, finally I get another chance, and I fail. This play was more